Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 Best Mechanical Keyboard RGB Review 2025.
Number 4.
Product Sell Points. Gasket structure with noise reduction. Experience a quieter typing session with the gasket structure and noise reduction features, enhancing comfort. 82-key 75% layout. Optimize your desk space with the 82-key 75% layout, perfect for productivity and gaming. RGB backlight and macro programmable software. Personalize your gaming setup with vibrant RGB backlighting and customizable macro keys via the included software.
Number 3.
Specifications. Brand name, RK Royal Kludge. Product model, RK-R75. Keys number 75. Keyboard color, Sky Cyan/Blackberry Phantom. Access body, Sliver Blue Brown switch. Connection, wired. Backlit, RGB. Layout, 80 keys 80% keyboard layout.
Number 2.
Description. Model number AULA F87 Pro. The Wolfspider F87 Pro adopts a mechanical keyboard design, using mechanical switches to achieve key triggering. Mechanical keyboards usually have minimal keys and more obvious keyboard keys. This keyboard needs to be equipped with customizable RGB backlight, which can choose different colors and effects according to the user's preferences to enhance the appearance and personalization of the keyboard.
Number 1.
Specification. Brand name AULA. Product model AULA F75 Pro. Keys number 80 keys. Keyboard color Reef Black. Axis body Reaper axis/star vector axis. Connection Bluetooth/2.4G USB/Type-C wired. Battery 4000 mAh. Backlit RGB backlight.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Please. Thank you for watching.